name's Jason Pope from Selec Group. We're a solar panel installation team in Cambridgeshire. Funnily enough, here are some solar panels behind me. So one of the questions I often see online is, I've just had my solar panels installed and there's this funny mark on the solar panels. Is it going to be a problem? And then you'll get a bunch of people come in who are awful generally, and they're, oh, you need to get your installer back, that's terrible, it's going to fail, that's a shoddy job, etc, etc, etc. Now let me show you. I've gone to have a look at this system here. Let me swing you around. Oh, I can't do that, so I'm going to if we look closely, here we go. So these are the marks that people are talking about. See there, and maybe there. So these are minuscule marks. Sometimes they're bigger, about the size of a hand palm print, and the reason they're the size of a palm print is they are literally a palm print. So we tend to wear gloves, and if you don't, or if the glove rips, or you've got anything on your glove, then when you're handling these panels, you can leave an oily mark on there which has come off your hands. It has no detriment to the panel whatsoever. The rain is going to wash it off over time, probably not very long, and it's no problem whatsoever. Now some people say, well, it should be cleaned off, I've paid a lot of money for these. We're not going to clean it off, and I'll tell you why. We don't know as installers what coating is on this glass of the panel. It may be just glass, there may be no coating on there whatsoever, but if there is a coating on there, the last thing we want to do is use anything that is going to take that off in any way, shape or form. A greasy mark on there will not be visible from the ground. It will have no detriment to the panel. It is literally just off of your fingers. Just leave it there and enjoy the free electricity being produced.